Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 27th, 2021. This is the realest spot that you guys are going to get price predictions within the stock market. I wanted to come in today and do a price prediction in Funware. You guys can see that we haven't done a prediction before in this market in Funware. So I wanted to come in and give all of our subscribers a heads up as to where we're looking for the price to go. So at best, we can get out the way of the market going down, or we can continue to profit from the market moves. So if today's your first time ever seeing our video and our content, you appreciate it, keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to our channel. So now let's talk about this price prediction. Is Funware still a buy or is it a sell? Like, I'm gonna keep it real with you. I'm not here to ensure that I give you a lot of hope, a lot of fluff, a lot of FOMO, because that's pretty much all you're getting on YouTube. Everyone is continuing to come in with their thumbnails, with their titles, telling you that everything is always a buy. And naturally, if you've seen Funware's price action the last 3 days, this has not been a buy opportunity. I mean, right here, October the 22nd in Funware, the market was up 471%. And you will still see videos on YouTube of people telling you that the market is still a buy. Now, here we were just a couple of days ago. Price in Funware was trading at $24. Today, just yesterday, the close of yesterday's trading day, the market was trading at $4.35. Now, that's a great disservice for anyone that's telling you that this market in Funware is going to continue to go up in price. I mean, whoever bought, look at this, whoever bought Funware all the way up there at the high on October the 22nd is now down 81% in a couple of days. So why did no one tell that individual you might want to hold on, because the market is definitely going to come back down, because they're now down 82% in their position because somebody told them that the market in Funware was going to continue to go up. That's the reason why. We're not that channel. If the market looks weak, I'm going to tell you it's going to go down. I'm going to predict that the market's going to go down. If the market is a buy, I'll tell you that too, because I want you all to be aware that you can do this for yourself and it doesn't have to be complicated. So let's look at this real quick, because the history in Funware goes all the way back to like 2019. We got price history into the market in Funware. Now, most of the trading has occurred below $3.35, right? It has. Can we see the price come back down there to $3.35 and prop up there and start to see another ascension trend higher in price? It's possible, but definitely, given the last couple of days of price action, who in the world would tell you to come in and buy this? Look at how the market continues to go down, right? Look at this on the 3-day. This right here tells you that Funware is weak, that the anticipation of weakness and movement to the downside, it is still on the table. We're not out the woods yet to see Funware's price go down. It is still there. So look at this. This is where we can see the market actually prop up the price in Funware. Okay. If anything, this will be the closest spot for us to see the market grab support, and then we'll see another move higher right there around $3.25. That's the best support area into the market in Funware. Now, I'm not saying that that's going to happen, because if we break $3.25 in Funware, where do you think the next area is going to be? Right? Let's see. This is the 5-day time frame. Okay, look at this. Do you see this? It's probably around $3, because the market in Funware all the way back here on this 5-day price bar from May the 19th, 2020, that was restriction. So I'm looking for the market in Funware to at least come down to $3 based off all of the volume, based off the recent price action. That is the next likely area for us to try to see the market grab that support area, and then we could possibly see the market come back up. But not until that time. The market is in free fall right now, and that is the closest area for us to test ground, is right there around $3. Right? Now, outside of $3, $2, will be the next area. Okay. Now, let's see this. I'm going to keep that there on $3 because I want us to take a look at the market in Phunware on a longer time frame. Let's look at this on October, the monthly time frame. So look at this. Okay, look at that. This is the month of October's trading right here. All the way back since 2020. We haven't seen the price in Funware break $3 to the upside. Well, we wasn't trading above $3 since June 3rd, 2019, the month of June 2019. We haven't seen the price trade above $3. Okay, so that is why $3 is going to be very important for us to see more interest and demand come through, because if we don't see no demand or interest come through in Funware at $3, guess what? Yeah, we're going to continue to go lower. Okay, so I'm here to give you that information. I got to give it to you the realest way possible, because I know that a lot of people are being misled on YouTube, reading articles, mainstream media. They are literally trying to persuade you on what they want you to do, and it's not necessarily in your best interest, right? So I'm going to continue to play the weakness into the market in Funware until we see price come down and test this $3 area. Okay, so that's another move of about 30% from where the market closed on yesterday. We can still see the price in Funware go down 30%. All right, now if we break $3 to the downside, I'm already telling you this again, that I'm looking forward to try to come and test $2, no lower than $2. Okay, now I'm looking for the market to actually show us some support around 3, which is, it might even happen close to or near earnings, November 17, 2021, to where the market will actually bounce at $3, and then we might actually see the price actually get some lift and actually go up in price right around that time. But currently, anyone's telling you that Funware is a buy right now really doesn't understand the dynamics of how the market really works. Okay, so we're here. We're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in Funware, especially if we're not able to see the market break itself above $7, definitely $8. We're going to continue to play this weakness into the market in Funware. So let me bring this over. Play this here. Let me hold this down to around $7. Switch this back over to the daily so we can see it, so you guys can see my ideas to where price is going to go. Now, understandably, if demand and interest comes in at $3, cut the play right there, right? Don't be greedy. Don't continue to expect the market to go down, or just grab the bag and move on to the next play. Even though there's a slim chance, I would say maybe a 20% chance that the price in Funware can break $3 and come down to 2, maybe around 20-25% chance. But if I continue to see weakness at $3, that percentage of us breaking $3 and going lower massively increases. Okay, so that's it. I wanted to come in real quick, give you all this update into the market in Funware, provide my price prediction, give you my expectations as to where the market price is going to go. And that was your turn, right? No one gives you the opportunity to drop your price predictions on these videos. I want to give you all that opportunity. Call the markets with me. I mean, you guys can see my thoughts, what I said, what I've shown you. Now I want you all to do the same for me. Let me know, what is your price prediction into the market in Funware? Is it a buy? Is it a sell? Currently, from my perspective, it's not a buy. We got a little bit lower to go. So now I want to know what you all think. Hit me up. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.